Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share test series 4 key which is totally based upon the corrosion. The rusting of iron is catalyzed by one of the following. So coming to the given options: A. Iron, B. Oxygen, C. Zinc and D. H plus ions. Definitely rusting of iron is catalyzed by the presence of acidic medium. That means option D, H plus is the right answer. Corrosion is an example of. Corrosion is nothing but an oxidation process where the metal will be oxidized to corresponding metal ions. And hence option A, oxidation, is the right option. For the corrosion of iron, one of the following factor is essential: presence of moisture and oxygen, presence of hydrogen, presence of strong acid. The corrosion of iron takes place in the wet environment, which consists of moisture and oxygen. So, for the corrosion of iron, presence of moisture and oxygen are essential factors. So, option B, presence of moisture and oxygen, is the right option. The buried pipeline is protected from the corrosion by connecting to magnesium block. It is called as. So, in order to protect buried pipeline, it is connected to magnesium and the process is called as sacrificial cathodic protection, and hence option B, that is sacrificial cathodic protection, is the right option. The formula of rust is nothing but hydrated ferric oxide, and hence option D is the right answer, that is Fe2O3 3H2O. It is the formula of rust. During wet corrosion, the anodic part undergoes corrosion, the cathodic part undergoes oxidation, the anodic part undergoes reduction. No change takes place. Definitely during wet corrosion, anode undergoes oxidation. So option A, the anodic part undergoes oxidation, is the right option. The metal at the top of electrochemical series is, that is highly active. Hence option D, most active, is the right option. During the electrochemical corrosion in acidic environment. So during electrochemical corrosion in acidic environment, that means H plus ions will be present. So these H plus ions will gain the electrons and thus hydrogen evolution takes place. So option C, hydrogen evolution takes place, is the right option. During galvanic corrosion, the more noble metal acts as. So whenever two or more metals are jointly exposed to corroding environment, the highly active metal acts as anode and the more noble metal will act as cathode. So option B, cathode, is the right answer. For example, when zinc is connected to copper, here zinc is highly active, it acts as anode, whereas copper is noble, hence it will act as cathode. So the more noble metal will act as cathode. The process of cementation with zinc powder is known as cementation of any article with zinc powder is nothing but shreddizing. So option C is the right answer. The film forming constituent of paint, that is pigment, hence option A is the right answer. In waterline corrosion, the maximum amount of corrosion takes place. So in waterline corrosion especially, the corrosion takes place a line just beneath the water meniscus. So along a line just below the level of water meniscus is the right answer. So option C is the right answer. The most dangerous form of corrosion is, so it is highly impossible to identify pits, and also it is the most dangerous form of corrosion, and hence option A, that is pitting corrosion, is the most dangerous form of corrosion. The function of ammonium chloride used as flux in galvanization is 2. Especially zinc, molten zinc bath is covered with ammonium chloride flux in order to prevent oxide formation. So option A is the right option. The process of coating steel with tin. So whenever iron or steel article is coated with tin in order to prevent from the corrosion, that is simply called as tinning. So option B, tinning, is the right answer. Sandblasting is used for removing the following form of the metal surface. Following from the metal surface: oxide scales, oils, greases, and old paint. So especially oxide scale can be removed by sandblasting. Coming to the 17th question. The cathodic coating, if punctured. So whenever, in order to prevent metal from the corrosion, cathodic coating will be applied. If the cathodic coating is punctured, then what happens? The base metal undergoes corrosion. So coming to the given options, option C causes corrosion of base metal, that is the right answer. Causes accelerated corrosion of the base metal. The oxygen carriers of the paint is called as, so the oxygen carriers of the paint are called as dryers. Option A is the right answer. Opacity and desired color to paint is provided by, so in general, pigment is the coloring agent in paints. So option B is the right answer. The following metal is used for cladding of aluminium. So it can be done by using 99.5% pure aluminium. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following metal is more corrosive? Which occupies the top position is more corrosive? So option D occupies the magnesium top position in electrochemical series. So magnesium is more corrosive when compared with the other metals. Which of the following metals give cathodic protection to iron? So especially which of the following metals give cathodic protection to iron? So, zinc gives cathodic protection to iron. One of the following gas in the atmosphere do not accelerate the rusting. That is nitrogen gas. So option D is the right option. Corrosion is a process of, it is an oxidation process which is reverse to metal extraction. Hence option B is the right answer. An initiator which when added in an inhibitor which when added in small quantities to aqueous corrosive environment, it effectively decreases the corrosion of the metal. So option A is the right answer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.